Hi everyone, namaste. Welcome to Lisa Yoga Angel. I'm Lisa. We are going to do a Warrior II tutorial today. So Warrior II, Virabhadrasana II is a deceptively challenging pose, but I'm going to hopefully keep it simple for you and talk about the different alignment that maybe you've heard in a yoga class, or if you've never heard, I'm going to make this Warrior II 101. So go ahead and come to the center of your mat, and you're going to open up your feet wide, about 4 feet apart. So the further we go into Warrior II, you'll know if this doesn't feel right, if you need to open up your stance a little wider or bring it in. So those of you with long legs, go ahead. Probably need to make it wider. Okay, so bring your hands onto your hips, and I am facing you, so you are going to turn your left foot over to the left. Keep the hips square to the front. So picture the hips are like our headlights on a car. They stay square to the front. Good. And then you're going to begin to bend into that left knee, 90 degrees or a little bit behind it. So this is where, if you have an injury, if this already feels a little funky, just pay attention to that. But ideally, we want it to be the knee over the ankle or behind it. Never in front of it. You want to protect that knee joint. So let's go ahead and take a look at our back foot. The back foot, you want to be a little bit pigeon-toed. Toes in, heel out. So it's a little bit of a 45-degree angle. And then we're going to talk about the heel to the arch alignment. So this is where different teachers will show different ways. What I say is it's whatever feels right for you in your body. Ideally, it is front heel in alignment, aligned with the back arch of the back foot, the arch of the back foot. So if you need to walk this foot over, walk your front foot over a little bit until you see that front heel is in line with the arch of the back foot. Good. So once we have that, we're going to open up the collarbones nice and wide. Good. And then I want you to make a cactus arms with your arms. Bend your elbows, kind of like we're in a stick up. Pull the belly in. Keep the tailbone tracking towards the earth. And then you're going to want to hug the spine with those shoulder blades. So kind of push your palms back until you feel that action of the shoulder blades hugging the spine. Good. And then once you have that action, we're dropping the shoulders away from the ears. Good. Take a deep breath in and a big breath out. Good. And then you're going to press your palms down towards the earth. Good. So the heart, the collarbone, the chest is open wide. So this is the way that action should feel. It's very open in the front of the body. And then you're going to turn your eye gaze towards that front palm, ideally the middle finger. Our eye gaze, what we focus on, that's called our drishti in yoga. So you're going to want to find that one single point of focus. Think about energetically pressing your ankles into the earth. Good. So feel that strong foundation. And now see if you can kind of soften, find a little buoyancy in the arms. I want you to feel that balance of strength and softness in this pose. Good. But yet we're fierce. We're fierce warriors here. And then we're going to talk about leaning forward and leaning too far back. So the alignment here is your head over the heart, over the hips. So the way I always described it in class is I don't want to be leaning too far forward into the future, and I don't want to focus too far back in the past. Our power is in the present moment, in the center. Feel nice and solid, grounded in your life, in the here and now. That's where all our power is. Good. So once we have all that going on, we take a deep breath in and a big breath out. Good. Go ahead and find that buoyancy a little bit here. Good. Notice how you can feel strong and soft. We don't always have to be strong. It's important to allow ourselves to soften, right? And breathe. Notice if you're tipping too far forward or too far back. Good. Let's bring a little movement here. Flip your palms up towards the sky. On an inhale, reach the arms up and go ahead and straighten your front leg. And on the exhale, find your warrior two. Good. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, everything goes up. And exhale, Virabhadrasana II. Last one. Inhale, reach everything up, grow nice and tall. And exhale, come back into your warrior two. Beautiful. One more breath here. So it's a lot going on, deceptively challenging, like I said. And a big exhale. Good. Go ahead and straighten that front leg, hands to the hips. Pivot the feet. Heel toe yourself back to the center. All done. Good. So give that a try. If you find Warrior Two challenging, take your time. Any injuries, be mindful of it. It's a very powerful grounding pose that builds confidence and strength and helps you feel a lot of courage. So it's an awesome pose for you to do. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please click the subscribe button, the little bell. I'm grateful for your support. Please click subscribe, and I will see you right back here next time. Have a beautiful day.